in Duke's Lane, Waikiki, and we're going to explore and show you all the souvenirs and gifts you can buy. My favorite part about this Duke's is that you can negotiate the prices.
All right, let's check it out.
So they have shave ice. We're not getting into the main part yet, but that's okay. So they have a lot of Hawaiian attire you can buy here. And you can also buy jewelry here, so yes. Okay, and there's more jewelry here. You can get things here. I don't know what these are called. But there's very nice Aloha rings and earrings, bracelets. You know, my husband. You can also buy keychains here. So like they have keychains over there. Magnets for also a great souvenir.
Can you help me? That's the hybrid. Oh my goodness.
And then they have... This is so cute. Definitely recommend Stitch though. So cute.
I'm going to wear it inside out.
They have... Hi. Oh, my guy's snapping.
Are they going to do it here?
Ooh, they have an anime thing. And then they also have shirts and hoodies you can buy. Like there's these nice Hawaii sweaters, Aloha shirts, and dresses for you. And behind you is more Aloha dresses you can get. This one. And there's keychains. More keychains. There's a lot of keychains here. Croc gibbets. Yeah. A lot of anime stuff if you're an anime fan.
Oh, yeah, something for you.
They also have handmade Hawaiian phone cases. So you can get a phone case.
You think they're handmade?
Well, yeah, maybe. Yeah, should we keep going? Ooh, I like this. And more bikinis, a lot of cute Aloha dresses. Yeah, they're really cute. Then there's more jewelry, rings, earrings, necklaces, gold chains. And then we're getting into probably my favorite. They have Aloha bags here. So like these. And then more bracelets, hair accessories. Here, a lot of stuff here.
I think you guys have boys friend, right? The boy, look beautiful boy with the boy, yeah.
I have two girls right here.
Yeah.
But he don't told me. My daughter told me.
So,
Yeah, my boy.
yep, they have these wood, really cute boxes. But I would recommend something smaller for a souvenir so it's easy to put in your luggage when you take it home. Like squishies if you're Sanrio fans, because I am. These Dad, show them though. You can get these tattoos. You can get your hair braided. More jewelry, dresses. Oh, so they do have hair accessories like these flower hair clips. They also have these, which I like. They have necklaces. They have bracelets. Very cute, tiny bracelets that are very good looking. They have more stores here. So souvenirs, t-shirts are $5 each.
Sure, this right.
So, yeah. See? And they have skincare, I guess. More t-shirts that are handmade. And they have Paradise Island coconut smoothies that you can have juices, smoothies. Thank you. I hope you like too.
Maybe that's it. Yep.